that looks really good. I just changed the camera position, I added 2 lights, and that looks awesome. All I have to do now is to put a background, maybe green screen behind me, and this setup is gonna look really nice. So let's today make some future bass. I have loaded this JARON chords here, and all the groups, which you can get from my website, oversampled.us. We're gonna be using this. We're gonna start with a melody loop. Okay, so if you have Galaxy, you can go to instrument loops, and there are really cool piano loops and guitar loops. So these guitar loops, actually my friend recorded. He's from pandaloops.com, and I have been helping him to start up his business. He's making more like a Millennium Bitbird type of things, whereas I am more as a future bass producer and like a epic future bass type of thing, you know. Yeah, so maybe let's pick a guitar. Do a little bit of the compression, because as you can see, these transients are popping. And now let's go and add a respace. Really simple, fine-tuned only to oscillators. Yeah, maybe choose a different one. Let's add some effects to this. Anti-mud compressors, muddy a little bit. I recently downloaded this plugin from Valhalla, Supermassive. It's a free one, and it's I like when a reverb sounds like a chorus. And this one sounds like that, because you can get like a really metallic reverb and it's not gonna sound really good, but if you get like a super saw type of reverb, it sounds really good. That's cool. I don't know what's happening, but that is cool. I really don't know what's up, but I like it. Using that one, I guess it's a delay that has some modulation with the, I don't know, man, I don't know. Yeah, this one sounds like a reverb. I think we can do really cool if I just duplicate that, and if you put some vocal here. Do we have some vocals in Galaxy? I guess. Hell yeah. Oh, we could do some modulation with this, because that's like a delay with an option to repitch. So I'm gonna automate this, and if we do maybe like here, like there. Oh, that goes up then. I mean, it's a subtle difference, but I think it's gonna add just a little bit of the taste if we leave this pitch slide here. Can we do like texture and down? Let's see if we can use this as a layer here. Maybe we can make like a wide layer out of this. Just like really in the background. Pretty bright. Yeah, we can use this guy, like put it here, reverse. Okay, we can make some drum loop in the background. I think that's gonna be cool. So I've been doing like 100 kicks and 100 snares challenge. Highly recommend that. Some design challenges when you just sit for a couple of hours, and I mean, obviously take breaks, but you sit for a couple of hours a day and you just make sounds. I think we can use this one as a snare in the song. Oh yeah. like a garage thing. I'm gonna need a hi-hat. Yes, and I have some breaks. Yeah. Like this. We need something here. Yeah, we need like here. Oh, that's cool. So it's like a maybe let's just take that and make it louder. We need something that will give us more like rhythm, like reverbs, small and wide. That's cool. Maybe use RC20 because RC20 has some drum presets as well. I think that works. We can use analog dreams, like a top lead. Pitch automation here. This. I have this guy called Particular. It's a granular pitch shifting. Gonna create this upper top layer, then this Valhalla again. Now we're gonna need this one, but it's not playing for some reason. What's up? This is because of that. Take this chord input here. Pitch bend here sucks. Arpeggiator on this. Let's try something like that. Maybe something like that. Yeah, well, this ARP is... Then I just made the same melody again. Okay, so we have another lead, but pitch bend on this one is fricked up. We have to delete the modulation, maybe. Okay, let's start making a drop. So we are gonna need a really heavy kick, and I have one in Project X. Like this one. Yeah, well, that's gonna be laggy for now, because there's so much going on here, and I'm recording the screen, so that makes the whole thing laggy as frick. Let's try the arpeggiators. How about like a chord trigger? Hey, I didn't know you can do that. Now we need some rides, maybe galaxy rides, like bike ride, car ride, horse ride. I have also drum hi-hat loops. Let's try this one. Now there's no modulation touched yet. Rate modulation here that we can touch on. Well, there's one here. We can even copy that. Let's just copy that. Let's see. Maybe not. Do something like this. Oh, because the melody has this like and so we are using like a LFO volume modulation that sounds the same, like right? Because there's a melody difference, right? That's cool. So we do this, and then we have normal one, and then at the end it speeds up. Hey, that's cool. And duplicate that. Yeah, okay, so the last thing we have to do is to make a build-up. I'm gonna insert a space here, and we're gonna just do quickly a build-up so that we can just have a transition, and then we can listen to the whole thing with the build-up, because it's missing. And we can even do like this, and like maybe just copy the whole thing. Oh, go EQ8, because we don't need any low end here. And then we also are gonna automate this one. So we do like, that's the most, like this, that's the simplest. No, that's gonna suck if we do that. Because we're just teasing the melody just before the drop. Maybe without the melody, you know? Also, this whole thing, it's gonna not be turned on here. No, we need a harder build up. Okay, I'm gonna just pick these. I'm gonna search too much because like it's taking so much time that I just wanna finish this. So just the transition element along with an impact and with the riser. And these sweep ups, this one. Maybe let's actually choose a riser. Yeah, okay, maybe let's put a vocal, so there's something playing else. Looks like it's pretty empty, you know? So we can put like a vocal phrase. What the frick? Check this out. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna freeze that, because that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, bruh. If I freeze this, oh, god damn it, that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna export the whole track, put it into the separate audio track, and then we're gonna listen to it. Although I have a new PC coming, not like a stupid Mac or something. I have a PC coming in a couple of days or weeks, and that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be making so well edited videos and music. There's not gonna be any lags. I really enjoy the way this camera looks now. That was such a simple thing, damn. Oh, there were still lags. Okay, anyways, so that was really pretty too loud a little bit. Ooh, that's epic as frick. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below as always. Okay, I'm gonna just roll the outro. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.